Learn how to use the window.location.protocol property to identify the web protocol used to load the current web page. So in this example, we are going to look at how we can use the window.location.protocol property in order to identify the web protocol that is used to load our current web page. Now, the window.location.protocol property tells you the communication rule set that the browser is using to talk to the web server. For example, if you look at this web address, there's already a communication rule that has been set by the browser, and it's what the browser is using to talk to the web server. It represents the very beginning of a web address and always end with a colon. So if you look closely, you should have been able to identify the security protocol in this web address. But if you do not, if you are not able to identify it, don't worry, you identify it shortly from this example. So I'll go ahead and make the document.getElement by ID method dot inner HTML equals to. Then I can put a colon like this and say the page, a double quote, sorry. A double quote to represent the text string. The protocol is window.location.protocol. Windows.location.protocol. Now, look at it. The protocol property of the location interface is a string containing the protocol scheme of the location URL, including the final semicolon. So I'll click on it and let's see. The page protocol is HTTP. And if you look at the web address, truly you can see HTTP and colon. So this is the protocol that is currently being used in the current web page. In your own web page, it might be something different. Maybe you are serving your resources over the server and it's using HTTPS. So whatever means of security protocol that you are using, it will be fetched in this manner and displayed on your screen, as you can see here in my own. So this example shows how the script automatically reads the active internet protocol from the address bar and prints it onto the screen inside the empty div that we have declared in our HTML. So the window.location.protocol fetches the specific communication protocol and display it to let us know what is being used to access the current web page. In this example is HTTPS. It is not secure. It's just an open HTTP. Now the secure one will be HTTPS. So that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So it will be an HTTPS for a secure one, but for this is just an HTTP because I'm serving it over my local server. And the document.getElement by ID demo part targets the empty div ID that I have here with its ID, and I'll insert the introductory text. The page protocol is along with the protocol string that is fetched by this property. And once that has been gotten, it will just dump it on the screen, as you can see. There are a few key takeaways from this lesson. Number one, window.location.protocol always include the trailing colon as part of its return string value. So you can see that there is a trailing colon that is returned as part of its string value. And number two, you can write this property just as location.protocol without the window prefix to get the exact same result. So I can remove this part and it will still work fine and give me the exact same result. So if you are curious or you are trying to get to know the security protocol or the protocol that is being used or served by your current web page, using the window object alongside with location.protocol is a good way to identify it. So it will let you know whether you are using a secure protocol to access your resources or it's an open protocol that you are serving over, that you probably could be serving over a local web server, as it is in my own case. So I'm serving this over my own local web server. So I don't have to worry about security bug or about a security breakout, because it is working locally on my system.